Hi, welcome to the bar. How to make images move in Capcut. First, you open Capcut and then you import your videos to the timeline. Your images to the timeline. You import your images to the timeline. So let's look for an image to import. Any image. Okay, let's take this one. We import the image here and then you bring the image to the timeline. Okay, make sure the image is selected over here, and then you come to over here, and then you see the keyframes here. Okay, the scale keyframe, press on the scale keyframe and also press on the position keyframe. Okay, so right now the scale keyframe is 100%. okay, over here 100%. Then you start by dragging this to wherever that you want the image to move. Okay, so maybe we want it up to here. Okay, everything to move. Then you come over here and then you move the scale. Okay, you move it to, let's say, 200. Okay, 200. And then you can change the position just to get the full picture of it, right? So yeah, this is the full picture. And as you can see right now, the position, it's at like 0 and then minus 847. If you want it to be in the middle, you can even push it to the middle, like here. Okay, so you have like 522, then minus 889. Okay, so that's it. And then the scale keyframe, it's 200. So you can see this is the beginning of the keyframe, and then this one here. So now you can start by playing your video to see if it worked. Okay, see, that's it. It's easy as ABC. That's how you do it if you want your images move, okay, at the background in Capcut. You can do it over again. Beautiful. All right, well, if you're interested in videos like this, please do subscribe to the bar. Bye.